Hi everybody, this is Sandy and I'll be talking to you about the 3 types of applications that I use on my phone to buy and trade cryptocurrencies, to send and receive the currency, and to track the market cap of each currency. So I'm going to start off by taking you to my cryptocurrency folder. And as you can see, Coinbase and Kraken are the first 2 applications that I have in this folder. These are applications that I use to buy and trade currencies. Coinbase requires the least amount of skill or background knowledge to use, so you can enter this platform relatively easily. As you can see, I have $1,054 up top. That is the US dollar equivalent of all the holdings that I have of cryptocurrencies in each of my crypto wallets. It also shows the 4 most popularly traded cryptocurrencies and their current market value, as well as the percentage increase and decrease of each currency within the past day. If I scroll over to accounts, it shows the amount of each cryptocurrency that I have in US dollar equivalent. And at any time, I can take that cryptocurrency wallet and transfer it over to my US dollar wallet. Alerts is a very cool option that most people utilize with Coinbase, and that is a price alert. So the price alert will be sent to you via Coinbase if a cryptocurrency drops below a certain amount. For example, Bitcoin up top is at $11,331. If it drops below, let's say, $8,000, your phone will send you an alert that says, hey, you need to buy or sell this currency. If I scroll over to settings, I can increase the security as well as change my native currency. Kraken is much more difficult to understand, and I'm going to show you this by taking you over to markets. So it is a more sophisticated and detailed method of analyzing the current market value of Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. It shows the high, low, open, close, basically what you would see when you analyze stocks. If I go over to alerts, this is the most useful part of the application, and I recommend anybody who's interested in cryptocurrency getting this application just for this reason. And it shows you different stories in media that can influence the current market value of each cryptocurrency. I'm going to take you over to blockchain, and blockchain is something that we've talked to you about throughout this presentation, and it is the virtual padlock or ledger that is shared throughout the entire world that validates transactions. So I can send cryptocurrency to any address, and the fee at the bottom is granted to any miner or person who validates the transaction. I can also request a payment on the far right with Bitcoin or US dollar to my Bitcoin wallet. I track the coin market cap through this application, and let me tell you guys, there are over, as far as I know, 1,400 types of cryptocurrency. At the top, you could see Bitcoin and Ether. They're the most popularly traded cryptocurrencies. But I'm going to start scrolling down, and you're going to see like all the different types of cryptocurrencies. There's Golem, Arc, Zilliqa. There's all kinds of cryptocurrencies that I've never even heard of. There are so many. But this is a good way to track the market cap for the cryptocurrencies. And as you can see up top, it shows the global market cap, and it's an astronomical number. Now, when people ask me if they should invest in cryptocurrency, I advise them not to, and for this reason, and it's the volatility. So as you can see, I have $1,051 in my holdings right now. I've invested, I can't even remember, $1,200 to $1,300. So I've experienced a loss. Now, the reason why I invested that much money was because it's the same amount of money that I invested in my Acorns account, which is a mutual fund account. And I have about $1,400 in that account, which I believe is a 12.13% increase, which is fantastic. A 4% market gain is out of this world. So 12% is just fantastic, and it's been stable around 12% over the past 2 years. So when people ask me if they should invest in cryptocurrency, I say don't go into debt by buying cryptocurrency. Invest a little bit into a mutual fund or a Roth IRA or some other type of savings account, because the volatility of cryptocurrency investments is very risky.